Every 13 minutes in the United States, a traffic crash leaves behind injuries, fatalities, financial loss, and unanswered questions. When your collision case leaves you with more questions than answers, you need the Accident Reconstruction Services from the experts at Crash Tech Reconstruction Services. Founded by ACTAR-accredited reconstructionist, police officer, and Marine Corps veteran Eric R. Brown, Crash Tech's team brings decades of active law enforcement crash investigation experience to civil, criminal, insurance defense, and government matters. From passenger vehicle and motorcycle to commercial truck and pedestrian crashes, their team applies advanced data retrieval, forensic mapping, photogrammetry, and 3D analysis to produce clear, defensible conclusions based on all facts, no fiction. For attorneys, insurers, and investigators who need reliable answers rather than speculation, Crash Tech provides accident reconstruction services grounded in field experience, professional integrity, and physical evidence. Whether the case involves passenger vehicles, commercial trucks, or other complex incidents, you're working with field-experienced experts whose accident reconstruction services translate into clear, courtroom-admissible facts that educate juries rather than preach to them. For a free initial review, call 330-714-7840 and visit crashtechreconstruction.com.